morning. Welcome to the Nosy Magazine. The Nosy Magazine is a video magazine from Gymnast School in Machadapura. We are third grade children. In this magazine, we show all investigate. We wish you enjoy. The skeleton class asks about telling the time and numerals. Finally, we, the sheet to investigate. What can we learn about Roman numerals? Hooray! Hello, my name is Adrian. My name is Daniela. My name is Claudia. My name is Laura. My name is Enzo. We are going to explain the Roman numerals and the Roman Empire. The Roman numeral system is a combination of letters representing numerals. This is number 1. This is number 5. This is number 10. This is number 50. Look, this is Roman Empire and half Machadapura. We use the numerals and the Roman Empire is all the territories. Many years at Machadapura, Catalonia, and all Mediterranean territories belonged to the Roman Empire, and we used Roman numerals. Now we only see Roman numerals in some cases, especially in ancient clocks.
Hello, my name is Dario.
My name is Maria. My name is Eric.
We are going to explain types of numerals. You can see that these are Roman numerals. The Roman numerals can be only 3 lines long, and you can see that this is 5 and 4 is 5 minus 1, and then 6 is 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, and it's the same with the 10.
There are a lot of types of numerals. There are Roman, Egyptian, and a lot of numerals.
No, we don't use Roman numerals. We use Arabic, Indian numerals.
My name is Rushem.
My name is Aina. My name is Ruchi.
My name is Berta. My name is Carla. Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about of telling the time. There are different ways of telling the time.
A clock half past.
What's the time? It's 11 o'clock. What's the time? It's 3:30.
Hello, my name is Paul.
My name is Martina.
My name is Beth.
My name is Alana. My name is Luis. We're going to explain the parts of the time. This is the minute, this is hand clock. This is the hand clock. This is clock time of the fair. And digital clock.
An analog clock.
Hello, my name is Alana.
My name is Yel.
My name is Yvette. And my name is Aina. Today is speak to types of clocks. At one time, people kept the watches in their pockets.
A clock is a device that tells time.
People usually wear the watch on the wrist. This photos is an information to grandfather clock, Google Box, sunglass, whiskers, pocket watch, sundial, and alarm clock. And this is information to types of clocks. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Paul.
My name is Laura. My name is Mark.
And my name is Mario.
This project is about analog clock and digital clock. The digital clock.